Hey all, how are you? I'm good. Thank you for asking. Welcome back to my channel. I hope this video finds you doing well. I wanted to take a minute as I walk away from the bright light and do my cloth diaper laundry with you. Pierce is getting very close to potty training, and he tells me like as soon as he's gone to the bathroom that he needs to be changed, and sometimes in disposable diapers, it's not enough to be changed, but he knows he went to the bathroom, so he wants to be changed. So I dug out my cloth diapers, and I'm going to start cloth diapering again, while we're at home. I don't know if I'm going to do it while we're out and about. He did wear one to church, but that's because I knew he wouldn't need to be changed. And so far, he hasn't asked as much to be changed, but also, even if he does, I'm the one washing them. I'm not paying for them like I am disposables. I don't need to go through like a whole pack of disposables in 2 days because he wants to be changed so much. So I just keep them. That is full of water, and I was gonna put thieves soap in it and I totally forgot, but it's full of water, and as I take them off of him, I just take them apart and put them there. I don't know where I'm gonna keep it because in our townhome I kept it on the dryer, but the dryer was kind of in a central location. Now our dryer is at the end of the house, and I would have to walk there from my bedroom or his bedroom or wherever he changed him. So it's been sitting here, probably not the most sanitary thing, but I'll find a place. I don't know. So that's my like wet bucket is where I put them when they're dirty, and then I just throw them in the wash. And I don't know, surprising, not surprising, I am only going to be using the Kirkland plain original laundry detergent. I usually, like when I was buying Tide, I would use Tide, just plain old Tide, but I bought this because it was more economical for us, so I'm going to use it. No fragrances, no unstoppables, no fabric softener. That's what makes them not absorbent, makes them stop absorbing, is because it coats them in a layer of stuff and then they don't absorb the pee. So not doing that, just doing Kirkland soap, and let's do it. Okay, the diapers are finished. They actually finished a little bit ago, but I didn't get off my lazy tush to get them. But now I am. And we will go ahead and get them out of the washing machine and put them out on the line that I actually just put up and created a video about. So, will you help me take them out? Oh, look at this girl! She got the pins. Cool. Okay, we'll take them out to the line then. I got the diapers up. If I didn't have the line, if I wasn't putting them on the line and I was just putting them in the dryer, I would literally just put them on the in the dryer. And I usually dry them at the same temperature, which right now I think is, I have the dryer at medium heat, I do believe, and I would run them once or twice on medium heat. So, but like I said, you don't want to do any sort of fabric softener because it will coat the inserts and then they won't absorb the pee, and the baby will pee and it'll just run out of the side. So we don't do that. But this is cute. I really like this. So we'll leave them out here until they dry. Sunshine is also good for them. If you have some staining, you can leave them out in the sun and the sun will help bleach them. You can also run them through a bleach cycle and then a regular wash cycle to kind of strip them in case they're becoming not absorbent or starting to smell. Knock it off. Say, go away, bug. But yeah, that is how I do my cloth diapers, and it's super easy. And I've had, not these.
We just did it like...
Yeah, not these. That Dr. Seuss one is the oldest out of this whole bunch. But I do have cloth diapers that I use from 8 years ago when Tyron was a baby. And they still are amazing and perfect. And I've never done anything special with them. And I've used them with 4 kids.
Even me?
Yep, Brooke and Ty had them a lot. And then I used them a little bit for Phoebe. And I'm just now using cloth for Pierce. And it's wonderful. So if you're ever interested in trying cloths, these are LBB. It's upside down, but it's LBB. And I like them because they have the cover on them, and then you just put an insert in them. Stuff them with an insert. Don't pull them down. I know, why?
Because it's soaking wet and I think we could...
Okay, then hang it. Then hang it. So, yeah. That's all I do with my, you are interrupting. That's all I do with my cloth diapers. And it's worked out well. I'm excited for this line though. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're new here. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. And I hope you all have a fantastic afternoon. Bye. Do you girls want to say bye?